In this video, I introduce a cycle-consistent GAN. Cycle-consistent GAN is an image-to-image translation generative model, which is trained to learn mapping between input image and output image by using aligned image pairs, so that the style is transferred from the source image to the target image. The cycle consistency means the generated image GX indistinguishable from the target image Y. G maps the input X to the output GX. The discriminator dy is used to classify his input sampled from Y or from GX. The reverse mapping F maps input Y to output Fy. The discriminator dx is used to classify the input sampled from X or from Fy. By using bijection mapping, we transfer style from X to Y and from Y to X. For example, we give a set of training data X and Y. Cycle-consistent GAN is used to transfer the style from X to Y and from Y to X. Cycle consistency is used to keep the attributes of X and the attributes of Y. And GAN is used to transfer style from X to Y and from Y to X. For mapping G X to Y and its discriminator dy, the objective function of a cycle-consistent GAN is a two-player minimum maximum game, which consists of two expectations. Similarly, for the reverse mapping F from Y to X and the discriminator dx, the objective function of a cycle-consistent GAN is a two-player minimum maximum game, which is a sum of two expectations. The cycle-consistent loss is defined as a sum of two expectations. The total loss function is written as a sum of three terms, where lambda is a balance factor. The goal is to find the optimal mapping G star and the optimal reverse mapping F star through this minimum maximum optimization. Two methods are used to stabilize the training. First, least square loss replaces a negative log likelihood loss to train G by minimizing this loss function, and to train the discriminator D by minimizing this loss function. Use the history of generated images rather than the ones produced by the latest generators. For example, our image buffer stores the 50 previous created images. We can use the cycle-consistent GAN to transfer Monet or Van Gogh's style to the input photo. For more details, please check with these references. Thank you. Bye.